You might already be using Notion to track some of your pipeline and sales efforts. One problem is it's really hard to get context on your LinkedIn activity, your messages you've been sending into Notion without having to manually transfer it. So we've kind of solved this with Kondo with our Notion integration, and I'll show you how to set it up. And create a new integration. I'm going to select Notion, and I'm going to just paste that link I copied in here and hit connect. I'm going to hit test, then save on the bottom. I'll just pick a random message that I have in my inbox, a real message, and send it here, and you can see what it sends, right? And now let's head back into my inbox, where I'm going to select a bunch of these people. I'm going to label them as a lead. And I want to sync these leads and my latest message to Notion. So I'm going to select them with these checkboxes on the left and press the sync button. And you'll see that, basically all of them appear in my Notion doc in a few seconds. And, there are various columns here. And basically I can play around with these fields. And I can start by hiding them, and I can just pick the ones I want. Right, let's say, my latest message. I'm gonna look for a timestamp, and maybe I'll look for notes, right? If I have a note, and I will look for a link back to Kondo. I can say, show me a board view, labeled as leads, right? And I want to see in this what the latest message was and what the timestamp was, right? So you can kind of play around and even make charts and different views of this Notion table. One final thing you can do once this data is in Notion is you can use Notion AI or connect this to ChatGPT or Claude through the Notion integration and have AI search basically all this data to read your conversations and give you some analysis or identify some patterns in the messaging you used and whether you successfully move these people down your funnel or not.